So it would have been super easy for us to say, okay, guess that's not worth our time and go to the next customer. But that's not what we did. And actually, I'd love to thank those financial services customers that we sat down with, because they really helped us understand what it would take to support large regulated customers inside of the cloud. And as AWS, we really wanted to support every customer. So we spent the better part of the next decade ticking every single thing off those lists. And I'm proud to say that many of those large financial companies are customers of ours today. And so, when you're innovating, one of the important things to remember is you really want to start with the customer. You want to ask them what's important to them. But then you don't always just deliver what the customer asks for. You want to invent on their behalf. What we call this at Amazon is starting with the customer and working backwards. Listening to them, understanding what they want, and then work backwards to what's a fantastic product. And that customer focus and working backwards is really part of our AWS DNA. And it's how we approach the business from the very beginning.
As a premier tier AWS partner, it's also extremely important to us to work backwards from the customer's needs. A lot of the time when we're meeting with a customer for the first time, we're trying to understand the business problem, not necessarily the technology problem. We often think of ourselves as consultants first and technologists second. Okay, so as an Amazonian partner and as a partner that focuses a significant portion of our business on Amazon, it's important for us to follow all of their leadership principles and often a lot of their ideologies around how to work with customers. A big piece of how we focus our sales environment and our delivery teams is in working backwards from the customer's problem. We never put the solution ahead of the discovery. We are often wanting to dig into the problem or the process that's being improved through the use of technology. We're often working backwards from the business problem or the business process that's being improved to make sure that we are creating something that is that has the customer or the end user in mind, and making sure that we are delivering results against those business problems and business process improvements, more so than necessarily just working through their technology issue.